pals Rue and April.
Hello.
Make sure they see you. I love it. So we're here, today we're going to look at panting, which is the diaphragm work. The main focus of this is going to be your building strength in your diaphragm. Imagine the diaphragm is something like hands that are cupping the very bottom of your lungs, right? Lungs are no longer up here, they're deeper down in your body. We always think they're up here, but really they're much, much lower. And the reason the pant is important is because it flexes the diaphragm so it becomes ha, ha. And I'm going to teach it to Rue, see if he gets it.
I have no idea. This is
new for you?
This is new, and I never really, I don't know what I'm in for. You always surprise me, so we'll see.
Oh, good.
We're only on number 2, and I have no idea what's going on.
Well, that's good, so we're going to move you through.
Cool.
Put your fist in your diaphragm. That's it, and move against your fist when you breathe in. And then pant on the way out, ha. Yeah, that's it, man.
Ha.
Yes.
Ha.
Yeah.
Ha.
Only take air in for each one. Ha. Ha. That's it. Ha. That's it. Ha. Try my note. Ha. Ha. Tongue out will help. Ha. Ha. Great. Ha. Ha. And a big sigh. Ha. Awesome. Now the reason we do the big sigh at the end, you always want to finish a period of working with a sense of real tension release. So when you're home, work along with me. Ha, 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 ha. Come in and work with us. Are you room? It's new for you, right?
Yeah.
Try it. Ha, 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 ha. Awesome. Ha, 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 ha. Release. Ha. So if you do that, literally 5 or 6 times a day, I promise you that when you're in the middle of a long phrase, you'll find yourself being able to fill up really, really quickly because your diaphragm will be ready to fill up. And that's the secret of singers who have really big jobs to do. You know, I learned it basically from an opera coach who works with opera singers who have to do those big, long arias. But for those of us who don't sing opera, it's still a great way to get a lot of air really, really quick. So there's your pant. Practice it.
Say, start to it. Yay!
As the years go by, we'll be looking back at this pretty.
How's the vibe? Am I too professorial, do you think?
They have to be a little professorial.
A little?
Yeah, I like it. I like how you talk to them too.
Yeah, yeah?
Yeah.
Going